Hello, today I'm making a post-it wall. What is a post-it wall? Is a place where you can put all your ideas and to do things all together in a colorful manner so you can actually see that you are accomplishing things. My usual method is, not very good for self-esteem and pretty much overwhelming. Always feeling that I don't accomplish anything because it's a mess. And then it translates to my brain and it doesn't work anymore. So, my name is Clody and I'm here to change my life and inspire others to do the same. So, hope you enjoy that little experimentation. I know that it's going to be much easier for me because idea is going to be one side, to do over there, in progress, and done. So yeah, let's see what happened. I'll keep you posted. And for now, I will put you on a time lapse so it goes a little faster for you. All right, hope you enjoy. So I'm super excited about making this wall because it's something I wanted to do for a long time. I have so many ideas and then at the same time I have so many things to do as well. Making this wall feels like I'm going to be able to see everything in one place, all color-coded. It's going to clarify my overwhelmed mind. I've been so overwhelmed some days that I just froze. And at the end, it just made me feel resentful about my life. And that's not a good way to live. I've tried so many things, all the apps and the calendars, it just doesn't work for me. I stick to it for like a couple of weeks and then after that I just go back to writing on little piece of papers. Yeah, I'm so excited to see and I will make sure to keep you posted in a few months. Ta-da! Yeah, it's done. Super happy about it and there it is. So over there that you can't really see all my ideas, thoughts, future project that I always have like tons of in my brain. So I'm going to put everything there. Here is the things that I need to do like as soon as possible. And then here is the things I choose to do every day. So every day I can pick something here and put it there. And this is what I have to do. Or the things like this one is an ongoing project. So I'm just going to put it there. And then when it's done, when any of those are done, I'm going to put in the done section over here. So that feels super good to do. Just the fact that all my ideas are actually and the to-do are right there in front of me and that I can see it and I can see the way I've been prioritizing my life as well and also seeing the progress. So I made my wall. Yay! I have this little idea, secret ideas that I'm already done. So I put it there and I did 5 minutes of exercise today. Yes. That made me feel really, really good. I always put the exercise like really far away. So yeah, no more. So what I did, personal over here. This is my YouTube channel that I've been putting in the back burner, but I'm getting on it right now. So it has to be there. Clody LLC, this is my personal company. Just ideas in general that I really, really want to do. And they're right there. Those are priority ideas. Gifty Kitty, this is my other company, which is an awesome, whimsical cat theme art and gift shop. And this is things I do for other people, which you can see there's a lot of things I do for other people. So right now, because of the way it is placed, I can see my life patterns. My life patterns is to put myself last and put other people first. And time to change that. Yes. And that reminds me of something I wrote on my birthday, which I'm going to read it to you. So what I wrote on my birthday, because I went on a little trip and I did some thinking about my life. And I wrote, I've been putting myself and creating my ideas last in line forever. And then I complain that I never have time to do anything. How insane is that? That's what I wrote. How insane is that? Yeah, that is pretty insane. I'm creating my own unhappiness. So if I'm the one creating my own unhappiness, then I can change it. And doing this wall, it's really going to help me changing that, because I'm going to see, oh, how many things that I said yes to. Maybe there's a pattern here. So maybe it's time to slow down on what I do for people and prioritize the things I do for myself as well, and to balance things out. I love doing things for people. There's a lot of skills I can help people with, but I need to balance so I'm more happy, and then I have more to give. So anyway, that's going to be interesting to see how many of the things I do for myself that are ending up in the done pile, or the things I do for others as well. So by looking at what's going to be done in the next month, I'm going to be able visually to actually rebalance my life much easier than in with papers and notebooks that I never really look at. So so that's it. It's done. I'm super pumped. It felt so good to have it done. And I can put as many ideas and thoughts that I want there. Every time that I have a thought, I can just go and put my little sticky note there. But I'm not allowed to put too much here, because then I'm going to be very overwhelmed over here. So I have to make some of those, and then when this area gets a little less populated, then I can move some of my other ideas into the to-do part of it. So yeah, the idea is to stop feeling overwhelmed. So to have this a little clearer, things that I can do in one day, or a couple of days if it's actually something that's an ongoing thing. So for me, the only thing I would change is next time I'm going to buy different sticky notes. So I put a link of these ones in the description, just so you know which one not to buy. I think the colors are great, but the glue is a little weak for something that's going to stay on the wall for a longer time. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope I did inspire someone somewhere to change their life as well. And yeah, let me know in the comments how you did. Did you make your own? Do you need help or anything? Or if you have any questions, I'm here. Thank you again. And if you like this video and you want more, just subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. And that's it.